Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my dining room. Guys, you know it's Mother's Day is coming, and I wanted to create something very nice. Not only it's spring and Mother's Day, so I add a little pop of colors everywhere throughout my home. So I just finished with my living room. Right now I'm going to refresh my dining room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. For this decor, guys, I want a beautiful centerpiece. My mom loved pink and other lighter colors, and I had those cylinders vase at Dollar Tree, and I really love them. If you are somebody that on a budget that want to create some beautiful look, this one can be a good option. The tall one at $3 and the smaller one at $1.25. Okay guys, speaking of the Mother's Day, so this is a video collab, and this company sent over to me this jewelry. Guys, if you're on the market and you need some great gift idea, or you want to buy something for yourself, this product is a romantic heart pendant necklace made out premium moissanite. And guys, inside the box, as you can see, has a little bag. If you want to gift it to somebody, you can just easily put the product inside the bag, as you can see. And you will receive, if you order the same thing as I ordered, my order come with a earring. It's a romantic heart earring. It's a stud and the necklace. So if you are somebody that love your jewelry and you don't want to spend too much money, and they're very good quality, guys. So before I post the video, I have to wear them for a long time to see how long they would last me. And as you can see, it's super simple and beautiful at the same time. The material, guys, is made of 925 sterling silver plate, 14 karat white gold covered. The moissanite, guys, is the next level of jewelry. If you're on the market, you don't want to spend too much money, this is a good option to go. The link will be in the description box down below. For those of you that don't know what is a moissanite, it's a beautiful colorless stone with extreme fire. Was originally discovered in the meteor, so naturally it make us an out of this world engagement ring. In fact, moissanite are 10% more brilliant than diamond, and also display over 2 times more color sparkle than diamond. And guys, if you're looking for uh, a beautiful jewelry without breaking the bank, this one can be a good option. As you can see my neck, it looks so beautiful. It's simple and very elegant. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for a nice jewelry without breaking the bank, this one can be a good option. Don't forget to check the box down below. Alright guys, that was all for this collab. Let's go back decorating the table and keep on watching.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
For this centerpiece, guys, I wanted something very low, so not too much flower in between, in the center of the table and at the side. And I think this idea that I have is very nice. And I put the taller vase, it's like a pattern, and the second tallest, after that the shortest one. Like I mentioned before, the tallest one is $3 at Dollar Tree, and the two ones are $1.25. In total, I used 12 vases, which is very nice. I wanted to use more, but I said okay, 12 is enough because I didn't have any more of the $3 one, so that's why I didn't want to buy some more. Okay guys, for the other gallon, I'm using 2 gallon. I have both of them from Michaels. It was back in 2023, and I have them on sale after spring sale, so they were super nice. I get them, I think, 80% off. If you are someone that just start decorating, it's okay to pay full price, but me, I've been decorating for the longest. Paying full price is not an option for me if I can wait. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. The way my table is, guys, sometimes I set up the table, and when I move to the other side of the table and I say it's not straight, I don't know, it's because of the angle that I stand. That's the reason you always see me fixing after I finish with the centerpiece or whatever I'm putting in the center of my table. And guys, I love whenever I'm adding colors in the centerpiece, I love to go natural or white in my plate. So it's not often that I go all the way in colors. So I always like to balance it like that. So by all means, if you like bold colors in everything, so you can, but me, that's what I prefer most of the time.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think. If you like it, if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, I add the night and the day and everything in between. And I really love how everything turns out. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below. Okay guys, I'm going to break down this set for you. This double endo soup bowl in an honorable bowl à soupe à deux poignées. J'aime beaucoup. Alright guys, I really love it. So it make my table look so fancy. So if you're on the fancy part and you don't want to break the bank, this can be a good option. Those plates are from Walmart. It's a mix and match because I got the set at Walmart. It was like $10 for the set of four, and I went to Dollar Tree and buy the extra two. You can't really tell the difference because they're similar, like slightly different, but you cannot tell. And guys, this placemat is from Burlington, and the napkin wing from Amazon, and as well the napkin. So this clear napkin wings is so beautiful, so elegant. It's gonna take your table setting to the next level, made of glass. That's a plus, and I really love it. It's beautiful. I receive so many compliments whenever I set up my table and everything. So I really love everything about it. Okay, guys, as you know, I always love to do my Hindu like that. So it's not for everybody, but it's super easy. And I promise I'm going to learn how to do other more. But this time, that's the one that's super easy. I keep it. I know how to do other one, but this is by far my favorite. So that's why I always put it in my table setting. And this wine glass from Home Goods, I really love it, guys. So expensive look, and I think it was $7.99. a piece. So I have 6 of them and my kid break one of them. So as you can see, I went back, I couldn't find the exact one, but this one is similar. The only difference, I didn't have the gold in the top, so I still buy it because I need to make the pair of 6. So guys, this is another way you can do if you don't find exact thing that is go super well, so you cannot really tell. If you're super curious like me, you will see, but if you're not, but doesn't break the decor or anything, everything is super nice. As I mentioned in the video, guys, as you can see the vase, I have the tall one for $3, and the second tallest $1.25, and the smallest one is $1.25 as well. So in the center, I didn't want to crimp them, and I put it this way. But I wanted to add a couple more, but like I said, I didn't want to buy. I think keeping it this way is perfect. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si c'est la première fois, je vous souhaite une bienvenue. Non, moi c'est Merci, guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Si c'est la première fois, tout, merci en pile au support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi, aimez nous. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.